Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. Lighting is going into the kitchen. If I didn't already share this, let me just share it now. We are working on the house on a budget because even though like you see things are going into the kitchen, we're also doing furniture, we're changing doors, we're setting up alarm, we're getting the garage together. So it's not just like one thing that's happening, it's a multitude of things that's going on. And so what you may look at as being like, when is this gonna be over? We're doing quite a bit of things in the house so that way everything can get done. And just depending on who's available to come out is what's really getting done. So the electricians have not been able to make it over here for about a month because I gave them 2 other projects to work on. And so they finally were able to call me and told me they were free this day, and I happened to be home, so I told them to come on. And they added the pendant lights over the island, and I feel like it was such a great decision for the color. So let's do that. So now that the measuring is in place, I am going to share some images with the electrician because I do like small mock-ups of what my expectation is of how I want things to look. It's not measured properly or anything. We still have to go through and find all the measurements, but at least through the images, I'm able to show them what the end look result is, what I'm going for, which kind of helps them to kind of figure out exactly what it is that I'm looking for. Now, over the sink, I did a poll on Instagram and people said gold, but if you can see now, it was just entirely too much gold. So I did order a black and a gold light fixture for over there, and I just opted to do the box picture light. I just think it's nice. Normally you do this over a piece of art or something like that, but I feel like there's no rules to lighting. If you like it, use it. And I feel like it fit the space, and I love it at night because it gave me the light. And I don't know if y'all know this, but baby, them meal preps is coming in handy. Your girl is eating it, baby's eating it. And I don't know, the guys, these are the same guys that's been working with us for the past year. And so when they come over and they know like I'm eating, they look, they won't ask, but I normally just naturally like, do you guys want something to eat? And so they did end up eating a meal prep, and baby, they was on it. So when I say they was on it, the guys said, you cook so good. And I, just in case if anyone was concerned about someone's wife, his wife came over too. And she ended up eating. So he's okay to eat at my house. I know sometimes that ain't good to feed other people's stuff, you know. And so I will say that everybody enjoyed their meal, and he got on the phone with his wife and I was able to say hi to her. And so she said she liked us, that we were just like really friendly. And so I'm giving the guys an opportunity to eat because they left one job site to come over to my house. So I already knew they didn't eat. And so I did make sure to feed them. process took about 35 minutes. This is straight up ×2 speed trying to get it situated. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, they're gonna have to come back and do another adjustment of it. And it's only by like an inch. So I'm also going to have drywall come out because I felt like it was too close. It was perfect. It was center. It was good. But I feel like the end result of it was a bit too close. And so you guys will see that. But the height, placement, and everything is absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. And I love these pendants. And again, these pendants are from Keshler. If you guys don't already know, most of the lighting in the house is Keshler. And if you look left and right of the video currently at the 2 sconce lights, those are also from Keshler. Unfortunately, they are discontinued and I'm sad. So 9 times out of 10, darling, if we sell this house, I'm taking my lights. I'm sorry. Like the ones that are discontinued, I'm gonna take them down and just replace them with some other lights. I'll probably go to Amazon or whatever because I left some good Judys in Savannah and I still miss them and they're discontinued. And so I feel like these lights are going to go with us, okay? It's cute. Okay. Yeah. It's awesome. Huh? Broke the chair. He broke the chair. No, the chair was already broken. It was already broken. Yeah, it was already broken. Yeah. Even if they did, I'm not complaining at all. What is the thinking? Hall stuff? Huh?
Hold on,